Hi, my name's Joe. I've recently launched Fresh Car Valeting in Leeds. Spending the past 2 years working from home, I'm just so looking forward to getting out and about, being outside, meeting new customers and cleaning cars, which is something that I've always done, something that I've always enjoyed. I wouldn't go as far as saying I'm a petrol head, but it's something that I've had a passion for. My previous job, I did a lot of weekend work, evening work. So for me, working Monday to Friday, seeing family and friends at the weekend, that's going to be the best thing about it. Taking back control of my life. Told my mum straight away. My colleagues at my old job were really happy for me. So yeah, everyone's been really supportive, and I think I've got a few new customers as well from them. You can go for your mini valet, you can go up to your signature valets, which is pretty much everything, and then we can also do your add-ons as well. So another service that we offer is the car club. So that's where customers can book us on a regular basis. We get to know them, they get to know us, and we can get to know their car regularly and really look after it for them. So if you'd like to book, please download the Fresh app, and I'll look forward to cleaning your car soon.